Agriculture plays a vital role in India's economy, with over 50% of the country's total workforce engaged in agriculture and allied sector activities. At the same time, the agricultural sector is exposed to various risks ranging from climate variability and change, natural disasters, pests and diseases. Keeping in view the risks involved in the agriculture and to ensure the farming community against these risks, the Government of India launched Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana in 2016. The scheme aims to provide simple, affordable and comprehensive crop insurance to farmers. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana covers all non-preventable natural risks from pre-sowing to post-harvest, ensuring financial support in the event of crop failure due to natural calamities, pests or diseases. The scheme also covers individual farms nationwide for localized disasters like hailstorms, landslides, floods and wildfires, as well as post-harvest losses from cyclones, heavy rain and hail. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana employs remote sensing, smartphones and drones for rapid crop loss assessment and claim settlements. Following the One Nation, One Crop, One Premium principle, the scheme is offering a comprehensive shield against crop losses, which not only helps in stabilizing farmers' income, but also encourages them to adopt innovative practices. Since its inception in 2016, the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana has made substantial impact, paying out over 1.7 lakh crore rupees in claims. Additionally, the government introduced DigiClaim in Kharif 2023, which ensures transparency in claims by directly transferring payments to farmers via the National Crop Insurance Portal using the PFMS platform. Further, the Krishi Rakshak portal and a dedicated toll-free helpline have also been set up for efficient grievance redressal, allowing farmers to track complaints, ensuring resolution within a specified time frame. Through comprehensive coverage and use of innovative technologies, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is empowering farmers and contributing significantly to India's agriculture growth and development.